Happy Wednesday. It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries, and this week's Take and Make kit for kids is Gumdrop Engineering. So that is a STEM kit, and I'm going to show you how that works and what is in your kit. So in your kit you have a little reminder to, if you complete this activity, send us a photo and you'll be entered into our gift card drawing at the end of the month. We also have a flyer to remind you to take our community needs assessment survey. So show this to your parents and tell them it is important. We need their feedback to make your libraries awesome. And you also get a chance to win a $100 Visa card. All right, and then you have your worksheet. You have at least 10 gumdrops and at least 20 toothpicks. I tried to put a few extra in there just in case anything got lost. So what we're going to do is, using our gumdrops and our toothpicks, we're going to make a house-like structure that can hold the weight of a book. So also grab a book so you can test it out. So first on your worksheet, you're going to make your hypothesis. So this is like an experiment. So you're going to predict what kind of shaped house will best be able to hold the weight of the book. And you're going to try some different shapes. So we're going to try a square, a triangle, a diamond, and then you get to decide what you want your last shape to be. And then when you're finished, if you have a ruler at home, you can measure them and put what measurements you used. You can write how your experiment went, and then you'll analyze what was the weakest shape house, what was the strongest, and how could you have made it stronger if you had more toothpicks and more gumdrops. So I've already made the first shape, which is a square. And we're going to see how well this works holding a book. Yeah, that didn't work very well. But it made it into a cool shape, so that's fun. All right, so the book did not work well. And what I did, I just used, let's see, this is hard for me to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I used 12 toothpicks and 8 gumdrops for that. So one way we could maybe make it stronger is by putting more toothpicks in between the gumdrops, and that might make the house stronger. So you could try that. You can also try those different shapes. So let's try a triangle. So I'm just going to reuse some of my materials and see if the triangle works better. All right, so I just took off some of the toothpicks and some of the gumdrops. Here we have my triangle, and like I said, another good idea for making it stronger is for doubling up those toothpicks. So I'll try that. And I'm just doubling up the one standing up for this video, but with your experiment, you can take your time and double up all of them. And that's a little bit harder to do when I'm trying to reuse my old shape. It's probably better to start from scratch. All right, let's see how the triangle works. Oh gosh. That didn't work great either. So there's also a diamond. You can also design your own. Add more toothpicks into the gumdrops to make it stronger. And another idea is to put toothpicks and gumdrops in the middle. I think that would definitely help to make it strong. So go ahead and try your experiment and send me a photo of your house that was the strongest. Have fun.